Hey guys, Ishan here from New Delhi. Oneplus recently launched their new flagship Oneplus 6 and soon as I got to know I can purchase one at the Delhi pop-up, I went there, stood in queue since 9 am and in the process got to meet Guru Randhawa and buy my new Oneplus 6. Now it's only natural that I return the favor by making this amazing unboxing for Oneplus. So without further ado, let's start this unboxing. Here's a final look at what the Oneplus 6 box contains.